There is a whole ecosystem of like apps you can build on top of the Google,
Yeah,
but people don't
never
really
do
build.
this. Like I
They
never see
build.
them.
I've seen a few like Boomerang. There's a
Yeah,
few apps that are like good, but
yeah.
just I wonder what. Maybe it's not easy to make money.
I think it's hard to get people to pay for these like extensions and plugins, you know,
Yeah,
because it's not like a real app. So it's not like people don't value it. People value it. Oh, this and a plugin should be free. You know, when I want to use a plugin in Google Sheets or something, I'm not going to pay for it. Like it should be free. Which is, but if you go to a website and you actually, okay, I need this product, I'm going to pay for this because it's a real product. So even though it's the same code in the back, it's a plugin. You know.
yeah. I mean, you can do it through like extensions, like Chrome extensions, from the browser side.
Yeah, but who pays for Chrome extensions, right? Like barely
Nobody.
anybody. So
Nobody.
that's not a good place to make money, probably.
Yeah, that sucks.
Like Chrome extension should be an extension for your startup. You know, you have a product.
Yeah.
Oh, we also have a Chrome extension. You know.
I wish the Chrome extension would be the product. I wish Chrome would support that, like where you
Yeah.
could pay for it easily. Because, like, I can imagine a lot of products that would just live as extensions, like improvements for social media, like
Yeah.
a
It's
thing
like
that lives.
GPTs, you know?
GPTs, yeah.
Like these chat GPTs, they're going to charge money for it now, and you get a rev share, I think, from OpenAI. I made a lot of them also.